Good morning. I am a big fat liar. I told you that I was gonna film and have something up on Sunday, but it's Monday morning and I haven't filmed anything until now. So, welcome. My name's Michelle Montana. This is my interior design YouTube channel. Welcome to my new kitchen. This is looking great. Let me show you. Absolutely thrilled about it. I don't like that I have so much crap. Eventually, I would like to get a cabinet for up here. I know. I'll show you what I want. Something like this. Something minimal. But this shelf that's literally slanted and about to come off the wall isn't gonna cut it for all my stuff. I just have way too much stuff. Like, look at, Kat left this. I haven't explained a lot of stuff. If you're new here, my husband and I lived in a one-bedroom house a couple blocks over, and basically our landlord decided to sell, and at the same time, Kat, who used to live in this apartment, one of my very dear friends, she bought a house. So it was all very serendipitous, and so we were like, okay, we'll downsize our life and take the apartment. Fortunately, the loft space that we had at our house was Elliot's studio, and Kat offered her basement at her new house to him to use. So we're not really losing a ton of space. We are losing some storage, I'm realizing. And I'm trying to make new storage happen, but I'm struggling. Anyways, so Kat lived here before, and this was her. She had this like baker's rack, and she left it here for us. Look at how packed to the brim. This is trash. It is with our liquor stuff. It didn't look that bad at the house, but now it looks awful. The cats are happy though. They love looking out the fire escape. Today is a settling day. We are kind of officially out of the house. Elliot's there today painting. And that's it. There's a lot to do here. So I'm gonna do the best that I can. This is so lame, but for me it's so exciting. I have drawers. If you've watched my channel, you know that my last kitchen didn't have drawers. And so, look at how satisfying. My silverware in a drawer. Okay. Pretty sure I just threw out my back, so that's cool. Trying to move something. I just wanted to show this updated corner. None of this is gonna stay like this. I just want it to look like it's not stupid. So this is gonna get hung. These books will be probably on our bookshelves that we're gonna put in like we did at the house. And yeah, there's not really much going on in here. I'm very excited to paint though. I have big plans for the bedroom. We very desperately need curtains in here because the mornings are bright, very bright. So I just measured this wall. It's really long. It's 216 inches long. And the height for how long I would need curtains is 123 inches. And so I plan on getting track curtains again from IKEA like I had at the house. Especially because there's this radiator. Tracks are just easier, especially when they're so high up and they're so long across the wall. Like, tracks are just so much easier to move. You know, normal curtain rods, just, there's not as much flow, especially when you have to like hold it and it's pulling from so high up. It just doesn't move as easy. Anyways, so now I know what to get from IKEA, and hopefully in the next couple of videos we'll have some curtains, but we might want to paint in here first. But Elliot has quite a few paint jobs on his list. Obviously it's not super important to paint our apartment right away. So just telling you, just letting you know what I have planned. These things are so genius because you reuse this little belt and you put these it's like a hot hands thing.